As a Google Cloud authorized trainer, I often get asked about sort of the differences between uh, very closely related Google Cloud services. A very popular one is, what is CloudRun and how does it differ from AppEngine and GKE? So CloudRun is a fully managed application hosting that allows you to run your code, function, or container on top of Google's highly scalable infrastructure. And so the big idea of Cloud Run is that it's all about serverless applications built in containers. And so that differs a little bit from if we look at App Engine. App Engine is a little more focused. App Engine is more specifically about building web apps, and it's more of a like a platform as a service for web apps. They've got lots of languages that you can choose from, but it's really, you build an application, a web app in Python or Java or whatever, and you hand it over and say, make this scale and run as a web app. And so it's a little laser focused on web apps. And the other one that's closely related, we said, was GKE, the Google Kubernetes engine. And Kubernetes engine is a much larger application hosting kind of service, very specifically for doing Kubernetes. Complex container orchestration is what GKE is all about. And so it's much broader than Cloud Run, right? So Cloud Run kind of sits in between. It's a serverless container platform, simpler to use than GKE because it doesn't have, to be able to do everything for all applications. But it's much more flexible than App Engine, which is very, very focused on, building web apps in a small set of languages. And so it's ideal for event-driven and web applications that need to scale from zero to many instances, almost instantly, without having to manage that underlying infrastructure. So we definitely have Google Cloud classes on Cloud Run specifically, but we also have classes that deal with App Engine and a lot of classes that have to do with GKE if those are of interest. So we hope to see you in a class soon.